Inside the T129, a closer look at Turkey's advanced combat helicopter.
I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
The T129 multi-role combat helicopter, designed and manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries, is one of the most advanced and versatile attack helicopters in the world. In this video, we'll explore its capabilities, features, and interesting details that make it a formidable weapon on the battlefield.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my
T129 is a tandem-seat, twin-engine helicopter that can perform a wide range of missions, from attack and armed reconnaissance to precision and deep strikes. Its powerful engines and advanced avionics allow it to operate in all environments, day or night, and regardless of weather conditions.